Finance, example 23A and B. For a subsidized student loan, the government covers the interest owed while the borrower is still in school, and you don't have to add that to the amount owed. For unsubsidized student loans, the interest on the loan accrues while the borrower is still in school, and then the interest is added to the amount of money borrowed for schooling, affecting the principal amount of the loan. Suppose Max has a subsidized student loan. After 3 years and 9 months of borrowing money for college, Max graduates and owes, that should be $31,172 at 6 2/10% interest. Typically, student loans have a term of 10 years. What will Max's monthly payment be for this loan? So his is subsidized, so Max doesn't own any back interest. So our principal is $31,172. Our rate is at 62 thousandths. Our time, they said, was 10 years typically. And we're making monthly payments. All right, let's substitute our quantities. And for our variables, okay, remember our n times t is 120, so it's raised to the negative 120 power. Okay, so when we solve for r, again, I recommend, probably tired of me saying this, that we do this first, okay? You could either store that quantity into a variable, or you could take this amount divided by, and then get your previous answer. So we will see that our monthly payment will be $349.21. All right, how much interest will Max pay over the life of the loan? Remember, when you're making a monthly payment, you are paying back not only how much you borrowed, but interest, the fee that you're being charged for borrowing the money. Okay, so you are paying $349.21 every single month. Exactly that. Make sure you don't just carry this over with all your trailing decimal points. You're not writing a check for that much and all your trailing decimal points. You're writing a check for this much, okay? And he's making that payment every month for 10 years. So that means he will pay a total of $41,905.20. Again, that is his total paid. So to get the interest, you'll notice that that is different from how much he borrowed. So that should be the difference between the total that he paid. Remember that total paid includes the principal, and that's how much he borrowed, and the interest, the fee for borrowing the money. So let's subtract the original amount borrowed, and we will get $10,733.20. So it's about to be excessive interest there. Okay, so this again is the interest. This is the total paid.